everybody, welcome to Math Made Easy by Planet Spark. So everybody, last time we discussed some questions based on similarity of triangles, right? Now we'll be doing some criteria for that and most importantly the BPT theorem, Basic Proportionality Theorem. बहुत ही important theorem है, इसका proof करेंगे, converse भी करेंगे and let's get started. चलिए, similar figures, they have same shape but not the same size, right? We have discussed this. Difference क्या है congruence और similarity के बीच? In congruence we have same shape and same size. लेकिन similarity में सिर्फ shape same होगी, size नहीं. So we can have the same shape of any object but different sizes, right? Like two circles of different radius, or we can say two equilateral triangles with different sides, right? So these figures are similar. Then we can say similar हैं तो क्या चीज़ equal होगी? Corresponding angles are equal. और sides के बीच में क्या relationship होगा? Sides की ratio same होगी. So we can say the corresponding sides are proportional. Right, ये part we have already done in the last video as well everybody. If you have missed it, go to the channel, check the last video and then come back. चलिए अब बात करते हैं एक बहुत ही important theorem की, that is BPT और Thales theorem also we call it. That is also the name. Okay, Basic Proportionality Theorem. Theorem समझिए, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersecting the other two, कोई भी triangle है हमारे पास, if we are drawing a line parallel to one side, let's say इस side के parallel I am drawing a line and intersecting the other two sides, okay, then we can say it divides those sides in the same ratio. तो अगर triangle ABC में I have a line segment DE parallel to BC, cutting or intersecting AB and AC at D and E respectively, then I can say AD over DB is equal to AE over EC. तो ये line इसके parallel है तो बाकी दो sides को same ratio में divide करेगी. That is the meaning. Okay. Proof भी करेंगे in questions through questions. Okay. How we can prove it? Just understand the meaning. इन दो का ratio और इन दो का ratio. Right, अब यहाँ से एक और हम चीज़ लिख सकते हैं. Let's say the smaller triangle ADE we are taking and then the bigger triangle ABC. Then can we say कि उनकी sides भी proportional होंगी? Yes. देखो ये rule हमें यहाँ से आ गया, right? Just add 1 to both the sides. तो क्या होगा? AD over DB plus 1 and AE over EC plus 1. LCM लेंगे. So AD plus DB over DB. Right? That is equal to AE plus EC over EC, right? AD plus DB, whole AB we are gonna get there, right? Similarly whole AC. अब यही चीज़ that we are adding 1 इसका reciprocal लेके करते तो denominator में क्या आ जाती? छोटी वाली sides आ जाती AD and AE, right? These two are equal. So we can say smaller triangle and the bigger triangle, they have the same ratio of the sides, right? They are proportional और एक angle equal है, right? So we can say both the triangles are similar. The smaller triangle ADE and ABC, these are similar triangles. Okay, दोनों चीज़ें we can follow from here from the BPT theorem. Okay, चलिए जी. Now similarity criteria की बात करेंगे. First one is AA similarity criteria. That is when can we say two triangles are similar? जब एक triangle के दो angle equal होंगे corresponding दो angles के of the other triangle, right? Why just two angles? Similarity में all the three angles are equal. But think of it, minimum conditions हम लेके चलते हैं. If two angles of a triangle are equal to the corresponding two angles of the other triangle, automatically third angle equal होगा. Why? Angle sum property. Let's say this is 70 degree, this is 50 degree. ये भी है 70, ये है 50. तो third angle तो automatically same आएगा. So minimum conditions we take there. So we can say AA similarity. If two angles of one triangle equal to the two angles of another, then the triangles are similar. Similar है तो क्या लिख सकते हैं? The sides are proportional. Ratio of all the three corresponding sides will be equal. Okay. Next one is SSS similarity criteria. That is तीनों sides की अगर ratio equal given है तो यहाँ पे SSS का मतलब कॉन्ग्रुएंसी वाला SSS नहीं है, वहाँ पे साइड्स इक्वल होती हैं. यहाँ SSS मीन्स वी हैव द रेशियो ऑफ ऑल द थ्री साइड्स का रेशियो इक्वल होगा. So let's say triangles are ABC and PQR. So AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. Then also we can say the triangles are similar. Similar है तो angles होंगे equal. Sides already proportional हैं. Next we have SAS similarity, side angle side, right? Congruence में भी हमारे पास SAS है, but यहाँ पे क्या difference है? यहाँ ये दो sides का measure नहीं है, इन दोनों की ratio है. Okay, so we can say if two sides of one triangle are proportional, not equal, proportional to the two sides of another triangle and the included angle is equal, then the triangles are similar. तो तीन चीजें हैं, या तो दो एंगल्स इक्वल हैं दोनों ट्राइंगल के, या तीनों साइड्स की रेशियो सेम है फॉर बोथ द ट्राइंगल्स, और दो साइड्स की रेशियो और इंक्लूडेड एंगल इक्वल है, राइट? ये साइड इसके प्रोपोर्शनल है, ये साइड इसके प्रोपोर्शनल है, एंड इंक्लूडेड एंगल इक्वल है, then also we can say the triangles are similar. So ये तीन criterias we have to remember everybody whenever we are trying to prove the triangles to be similar. Converse also work करेंगे, if we have these equal we can say the triangles are similar, अगर similar हैं तो ये चीज़ें equal होंगी, right? Both ways we can use them. चलिए move on करते हैं questions पे. First one, in triangle ABC, a line through points D and E on sides AB and AC respectively is drawn parallel to BC. तो सबसे पहले लेंगे एक ट्राइंगल. ओके, लेट्स से ओके दिस इज द रिक्वायर्ड ट्राइंगल ABC. Then we have DE which is parallel to BC. Okay, that is given. AD is 3, DB is 2, AE is 4.5, we have to find EC. So when we have this kind of setup, right, एक line segment है which is parallel to one side of the triangle and intersecting the other two, then what do we say? By BPT theorem or by Thales theorem that it will be dividing the two sides in the same ratio. तो ये ratio क्या होगी? Same. So what can we write here? By BPT we can write AD over DB is equal to AE over EC. Given values put करेंगे यहाँ. So what do we get here? 3 over 2 is equal to 4.5 over, let's say the missing side is x. Okay, x. Cross multiply करेंगे and we'll have our answer. So we can say x will be equal to 4.5 times 2 over 3. 9 over 3, that means x is 3. तो missing side क्या आ गई? EC is 3 centimeters and that's the right answer. चलिए जी, next question. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC where D and E are intersecting, or we can say the points on AB and AC respectively show that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Indirectly we can say this is just the proof of BPT और Thales theorem, right? ये क्या है? स्टेटमेंट है Thales theorem की, BPT theorem की. We have to prove it. Okay, तो इसमें कंस्ट्रक्शन हम करेंगे. What is the construction? First of all, join BE and DC. Join कर दिया. Secondly, draw perpendicular from D to the line AC. Let's say it cuts or intersects it at the point M, foot of the perpendicular. Then E से एक perpendicular drop करेंगे AB पे और foot of perpendicular होगा N. Then everybody, चलिए जी, अब बात करेंगे यहाँ पे एरियाज की. So let's say first of all I'm talking about area of triangle ADE. Okay, which triangle am I talking about? This smaller triangle. Okay, let's talk about its area. Area हम कैसे लिखते हैं? We know the formula, half into base into height. Right everyone? अब यहाँ पे दो perpendicular dropped हैं. That means in two ways I can write the area. So let's do that. दोनों ways में लिखेंगे. So we can say this is equal to 1 over 2 times base लेंगे AD, तो height क्या लेंगे? What is the perpendicular dropped on AD? EN, right? Or if I say I am taking the base as AE, then on AE which perpendicular is dropped? DM. both will be equal, both are the areas of the same triangle, so that will be equal, right? Now let's come to another pair of triangles that we can see here. Okay, ध्यान से देखो, we have another pair of triangles here, DBE and DCE, right? These two triangles. अब ये triangle, let me just take one triangle outside. इस triangle की अगर हम बात करें, we can see obtuse angle triangle है, right? Obtuse angle triangle में क्या होता है? When we try to drop a perpendicular, it lies outside the triangle. Okay, that can happen. So यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? If we drop a perpendicular, we can say यही EN will be the height for DBC. DM will be the height for DCE, right? Draw it straight here and then see. हम बात कर रहे हैं इस height की. So when I drop a height here, it will lie outside the triangle, right? Same way. So यहाँ पे if we take this as the base, then this is the height. This as the base, then this is the height. Okay, let's write then. So area of triangle BDE, that I can write as 1/2 base BD, height we can take as EN. Similarly, we can write area of triangle CED, that is equal to half into base, right, EC, into height. On this the height is DM. Okay everybody. अब क्या करेंगे? बस एरियाज को डिवाइड करना है, एरियाज की रेशियो हमें लेनी है, राइट एवरीवन? ओके देन लेट्स टेक द रेशियो ऑफ द हाइट्स देन. चलिए, सो डिवाइड करेंगे दिस एरिया, राइट, ADE विथ एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल BDE, राइट? सो वी कैन से दोनों में क्या कॉमन है? EN एंड हाफ. So what do we get there? AD over BD. Area of triangle ADE over area of triangle BDE, right? That means we have got here EN cancel out, half cancel out. So we are left with AD over BD, right? Okay then. Next we have the ratio of the areas, area of triangle ADE over area of triangle CED. Again, इन दोनों में देखो DM is common, half is common. So what will be left with? AE and EC. This much is clear. Now how can we equate these two? क्या चाहिए हमें? AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Right hand sides हमारे पास आ गई हैं, दोनों equal चाहिए. They will be equal when the left hand sides are equal. So think of it, when can these two ratios be equal? Numerator same है, area of triangle ADE. Denominator कहीं से अगर same हो जाए, then we can say the right hand sides are equal, right? तो denominator में क्या है हमारे पास? Area of triangle BDE and CED, ये दो triangles. Can I say इन दोनों triangles का area equal होगा? Absolutely. Why? Think of it. DE और BC, ये दो lines हमें parallel given है, right? So when we have two triangles on the same base and between the same parallel lines, उनका area क्या होता है? Equal. If you have forgotten this, look here, right? Let's say this is the base we are taking AB. अब इस base को लेके between these two parallel lines, no matter how many triangles I am drawing, all of these will have the same area. क्यों हो रहा है ये? देखो area में दो चीज़ें चाहिए हमें, base और height, right? Base same है, height means the difference between the distance between these two parallel lines, जो कि हर point पे same होगा. Height will be same for all of these triangles, so we can say area will be same. Same चीज़ यहाँ apply हो रही है, so we can say these two triangles will have the same area. So left hand side is equal, that's why we can say the right hand side is also equal. So we can write here AD over DB is equal to AE over EC. Hence proved. Okay, proper reasoning के साथ mention करेंगे whatever we have done here, that area of these two triangles are equal. Why? Triangles on the same base and between the same parallel lines, or we can say their height is same. Okay, so this was the proof of PPT everybody. क्या याद रखना है बस? The construction we are doing. We are joining BE and DC and then we are just dropping the perpendiculars. Okay, चलिए then next one. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. Prove that. Okay, same thing we have here. Okay, same lines पे prove करेंगे. Even if the statement is given या directly पूछा है or maybe in some other form. Okay, अब यहाँ पे सिर्फ denominator का difference है. Right? BPT से what can we write here? Let's say same triangle I am taking. यहाँ तक का proof बिल्कुल same होगा. Okay, using BPT I can write AD over DB is equal to AE over EC. Right? AD चाहिए, AE चाहिए, but denominator में DB और EC की जगह क्या चाहिए? The whole line segments AB and AC. So क्या करेंगे? Just reciprocal लेंगे इसका. If these two are equal, तो reciprocal भी equal होगा. AE over EC. Right? Now just add one onto the both sides. So one add करेंगे दोनों sides पे. LCM लेके add करेंगे. So we have here AD plus DB is equal to AE plus EC over EC. Right? AD plus DB, the whole line segment AB, right? Over AD. That is equal to AE plus EC, which is AC over. So this we can write as, wait, यहाँ भी we have to write the reciprocal. Okay, here also. So we have got EC over AE. तो denominator में क्या रहेगा? AE. Right? And that is what you are required to prove. Again, take the reciprocal. ठीक है, दोनों sides reciprocal ले रहे हैं. So we can say AD by AB is equal to, this is AB, AD plus DB, and AE over EA. Hence proved. So till here same proof of BPT, and then we just take the reciprocal, add one on both the sides, simplify करेंगे, वापस reciprocal लेंगे, we have the result. Okay. चलिए जी, next one. In triangle ABC, D and E are the points on AB and AC such that ratio equal given है अब. We have to prove that the lines are parallel. सोचो. Tell me in the comments quickly everybody. क्या है indirectly? Converse of BPT का proof, right? Theoretical proof है. क्या करते हैं हम इसमें? Let's say we have a triangle ABC here. Okay, D and E are the points, right? And it's given AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Let's say E dash is the point here. If we join D to E, then DE dash is parallel to BC, right? अब एक और point हमने यहाँ लिया है and DE dash is parallel to BC और वहाँ पे we can apply the BPT theorem, right? If we can prove that E dash और E same ही point होगा, it will just be the same point, then we can say yes, these are the line segments which is parallel. Okay, तो ये याद रखना है यहाँ पे क्या construction करेंगे हम. So let E dash be a point on AC such that क्या है हमारे पास? DE dash is parallel to BC. तो अगर ये इसके parallel है, then we can apply BPT here. So what can we write here? We can write AD over DB is equal to AE dash over E dash C. अब यहाँ पे ये हमें given है, this we have proved. Left hand side equal है तो right hand side भी equal होगी. So I can say here AE over EC is equal to AE dash over E dash C. Right everybody? AE over EC and AE dash over E dash C. Now what can we do here? Again we can add one here ताकि हमारे पास पूरा line segment आ जाए AC and then we can cancel it out. Okay. So we'll try to keep AE and AE dash. We'll get rid of this. तो जो change करना है उसे हमेशा numerator में लेके आओ. So take the reciprocal and add 1. So EC over AE plus 1 is equal to E dash C over AE dash plus 1. Add करेंगे taking LCM. So what do we get here? Let's say we are going to get here EC plus AE, right? EC plus AE, that is whole line segment AC. over AE. That is equal to here AE dash, again E dash C, that will become AC over AE dash. AC cancel हो जाएगा on both the sides, so we have got AE and AE dash. कब possible होगा जब AE और AE dash equal होंगे? When these two points coincide. So we can say then E and E dash coincide. That means AE is parallel to BC, hence proved. Okay, so इस proof में you will find थोड़ा सा technicalities there, right? बहुत ही ज़्यादा proving part है when we are doing just the converse of the proof of BPT. Converse में थोड़ा सा strategically लिखना पड़ेगा, but it's a smaller proof comparatively, right everybody? बस यही हमें prove करना है, these two points coincide and we are done. चलिए next one. In triangles ABC and DEF, तीनों sides की ratio equal है. That means the sides are proportional. We have to prove the triangles are similar. बहुत ही आसान है. Let's say two triangles we are taking. ABC and DEF. ठीक है. We are given with AB over DE is equal to BC over EF. Right? दो पैर लेके चलेंगे. Think of what we did with BPT. Same चीज अप्लाई करेंगे and we'll have the triangles to be similar. कब कहते हैं हम triangles are similar? When we say at least two angles are equal, right? तो यहाँ से we can prove the angles also to be equal. Tell me in the comments everybody, this one is for you. यहाँ पे क्या ट्रिक हम यूज करेंगे? What is the one thing with which you can do it directly? बहुत ही easy question है, just take step you should know and then we are done. Okay, keeping in mind what we did back there. Okay, previous questions में, previous proofs में हमने क्या किया है, just remember that. Next one, in triangle ABC and PQR, अब उसका proof आ गया. अब हमें दो angles equal given है, right? Angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q. We have to again prove the triangles to be similar. कब कहेंगे हम they are similar? Again, yes, sides अगर proportional given है तो हम prove करेंगे angles equal है. Angles अगर equal given है then हम prove करेंगे sides proportional है everybody. Okay, so let's say we have ABC and PQR here. Angles हमें given है equal, A is equal to P, angle B is equal to angle Q. Now just think of it, how can we write the ratio of the sides there? Yes everybody, given that the angles are there, common sense use करेंगे, right? अगर angle equal है then we can say opposite side उसी ratio में होगी. Larger the angle, larger the opposite side, smaller the angle, smaller the opposite side. Okay, so that is the hint that I have dropped for you. Tell me in the comments everybody, last proof से ही very easily how can we do it? Okay, चलिए next. Okay, that was all. So quickly let's go through what we have learned here. Similarity के criteria हमने learn किए. We understood what is similarity, how it differs from congruence. Similar है तो क्या होगा triangles में? Angles equal होंगे और sides proportional होंगी. Three criteria we have done there: AA similarity, right? SSS similarity and SAS similarity. Then very important BPT theorem, or we can say the Thales theorem and its converse also. एक triangle में if we have a line segment parallel to one side intersecting the other two, then it will divide those sides in the same ratio. Converse भी true होगा, that if we have the ratio of the sides equal, then we can say these two will be parallel to each other. Okay everyone, then we have done the proofs of similarity also using all the criterias. So that was all everybody. Thank you very much for joining. Now don't forget to try the free trial class everybody. Okay, you can sign up for it using the link given in the description.